I got my tank out. This is actually a new tank to me. It's in way better shape than my old tank was. My old tank was so rusted that the reservoir that the pump sits in couldn't get any fuel. I think I'm gonna throw this all back together and then we'll get it in the car. I really wanna get this thing fired up the way it used to be, just with the new tank, and see if there's any difference. See if my cooling system's functioning properly. See if I have deeper issues. Because if I have deeper issues, then obviously the fuel system is the last of my worries. So I think that's what we're gonna do today. So we'll get to it. She has got my fuel line hooked back up. You know, it goes through a filter, through the pump, up through another filter right there, and then all the way to the front. You can see my ground is unhooked here. That's not gonna do me very much good. So we're gonna hook that up real quick, and then we're gonna open up the garage here and we'll see what happens. Yeah, waiting for that battery to charge and then we'll hit the key. Good. Alright guys, well, you can see that it's leaking from that plug right there. You can tell because of the way that it is. Coming down, dripping off the balancer, yada yada. But I'll have to get an Allen that big and see if I can cinch that down. I don't know what the deal is with that. It's kind of rude. We got up to about 165. I turned the fans on and it instantly started cooling off. I'm running no thermostat because I want to just see what it gets to, you know. It was definitely really nice to hear this thing run and that I don't have any weird fuel pressure problems and that it seems like my cooling system is working better than it was, even though I know I haven't driven it yet, but just sitting here idling, like the thing would get just hotter than hell. So it's already an improvement. So we're just going to keep plugging away and, you know, continue to try to get this thing ready for this next coming year. Hopefully we'll be able to do a lot of racing with it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.